It's nice that one. Oh, sun. Look at that. It's in my country. It's early morning. Philippines. Where are you from? Thailand? Oh, China. Okay. You know the Philippines is earthquake. That was 2 days ago. Yesterday. Still going on. Yes, that's what I saw. Heard too. And oh my.
I go to the glass store. I saw they sell the similar like yours, but it's only one.
Oh,
This one got the bigger fish. Very
similar one. Yeah. And where is the in Port de Soto? Port de Soto? On the other side? Oh, down here? Ah, okay. Normally we went to Port de Soto
Oh, okay.
last week. Yeah. No, not weekend. Last week.
I just want to see where you hung up.
Huh?
How do you hang up this one?
Look at that. Nice. The sundown na. They are in the Philippines. Look at that. We are in Skyway. Look at that, how beautiful. It's gone. Bye.